In this video, I will show you a strategy and explain to you how you can basically win the Thanksgiving Partners event in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So there's an event that's just been launched on Monopoly Go called Thanksgiving Partners, and what you want to do is basically, if I go into the event itself, the object of this event is to complete 4 dishes. So what you need to do first is go ahead and add your friends. So you can do that by pressing the plus button and inviting your friends to the event. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do, the top prize for actually completing the 4 dishes would be 5,000 dice. You also get a sticker pack with a minimum of 1 new sticker, and you get the brand new pumpkin pie token. So to go ahead and complete this, what you need to do is basically roll your dice, go around the board, and you want to collect these little oven glove icons down here. And what it's going to do is add this to your total. So you want to keep going around the board until you collect these. So you can see I've got 3 there. And once you collect some, you can go back into the event itself. And what you need to do is just basically keep collecting these oven gloves, and of course once you've completed the 4 dishes you will be rewarded with the grand prize. Now there's currently 5 days remaining of this tournament. It's literally just launched, so all you want to do is basically keep going around collecting all these oven gloves and completing your 4 dishes to receive the grand prize. So that is how to go ahead and win the Thanksgiving Partners event in Monopoly Go, and I hope this strategy did help you out today, and if it did help you out I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.